First, on daily transit, when the lagna is 8th from your own lagna. When the transit lagna is 8th from your own lagna, that 2 hours is not a good time. Hello friends, today we will discuss a very interesting and good topic, and that is Ashtama Dosha. Okay. Look, this Ashtama Dosha is the basic of Jyotish, but we are not able to use this properly in our chart prediction, in our chart analysis. Okay, so in this video we will try to understand what is Ashtama Dosha and how you can use this in our prediction, in our chart analysis, and finally what is the remedy for this Ashtama Dosha. Okay. Look, this Ashtama Dosha is the quality of time. As we are Jyotish, we must need to understand the quality of time in which we are checking someone's chart. Okay, and we need to understand that this quality of time really affect the native, really affect the person whose chart we are checking, we are analyzing. And finally, we need to know the process, remedial measures by which we can able to address this Ashtama Dosha. Okay, so first let us discuss what is Ashtama Dosha. We often told people that the transit moon is 8th from your natal moon. So do not take precautions during these 2.5 days. So what does it mean? It means that it is the quality of time when transit moon is 8th from your natal moon. So you need to be more cautious. You need to know that this time can create problem. Okay, similarly, 3 types of Ashtama Dosha are there. First, on daily transit, when the lagna is 8th from your own lagna. When the transit lagna is 8th from your own lagna, that 2 hours is not a good time. For an example, if someone has Aries lagna, so that on daily transit when the lagna is Scorpio, the time is not really a good time to start anything on that day. Okay, the next is on monthly transit. On monthly transit, when moon comes 8th from your natal moon, your moon side, so that 2.5 days are problematic, that can create problem. For an example, if someone has Dhanu Rasi, in his own chart moon is in the Dhanu Rasi. Okay, so on monthly transit, when moon comes to Cancer sign, moon transiting over Cancer sign, that 2.5 days are really problematic, can create problem, because that transit of moon is 8th from your natal moon. So that is second kind of Ashtama Dosha. And finally, on every day when moon is transiting a particular sign, so the everyday lagna, when it is comes to the 8th house, so that 2 hours again creates a bad quality of time, or we can say that time is not good. For an example, when moon is transiting in the Aries sign, so on daily transit when the lagna is Virgo, so from Virgo the moon is in the 8th house, so that is creating a Chandra Ashtaka. So that is again not a good time. So friends, here I am telling you the 3 kinds of Ashtama Dosha. First is when your lagna, from your lagna, when the transit lagna comes 8th house, that is first Ashtama Dosha. Second, from your moon side, when the transit moon sign is 8th house, that is second kind of Ashtama dosha. Third, on Delhi transit, from Delhi transit Lagna, when moon comes to the 8th house, that is third kind of Ashtama dosha. So we need to understand that these three Ashtama dosha can create serious issues. So we must understand this Ashtama dosha very deeply. Okay. So let us take an example. Let us take an example for a Capricorn ascendant. For a Capricorn ascendant, when the Delhi transit Lagna is Leo, so that is first kind of Ashtama dosha. Okay. For an example, if the moon sign is Sagittarius, so when moon on monthly basis transit over the sign Cancer, that is creating Chandra Ashtama dosha. And finally, on daily transit, when moon comes to the 8th house for a particular Lagna, that is creating the third type of Ashtama dosha. And these are seriously, we can say that this can create serious issues during those times. So we need to be more cautious. We do not need to take decision during those times. So we must understand these are three kind of Ashtama doshas. Okay. Let us discuss about the remedial measures. So the first Ashtama dosha, when the Lagna, transit Lagna is 8th house from Natal Lagna. For an example, if you are checking someone's chart and you made a prasna during that time, and you see that the Lagna of the prasna is 8th house from the Natal Lagna, so it comes under a Ashtama dosha. Okay, so the remedy for that Ashtama dosha is to do Surya Ashtakshari mantra. Okay, so what is the Surya Ashtakshari? Om Girni Surya Aditya. Om Girni Surya Aditya. This is Surya Ashtakshari mantra. If the transit Lagna is 8th house from the Natal Lagna, or while analyzing someone's chart, if we are finding that the Prasna Lagna is 8th house from the Natal Lagna, so it creates a Ashtama dosha, and the remedy for that Ashtama dosha is Surya Ashtakshari, and the mantra is Om Girni Surya Aditya. Okay. Next is, if we are while analyzing someone's chart, if we see that the Prasna moon or transit moon is 8th house from the natal moon, so again it creates a type of Ashtama dosha, and the remedy for that is Narayana Ashtakshari. So what is the mantra? What is the Narayana Ashtakshari mantra? It is Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. This is Narayana Ashtakshari. Okay, and the third is on Delhi transit. For an example, if we are checking someone's chart, and at that very moment we are creating a prasna, and in the prasna we are seeing that the Chandra is 8th house from the Prasna Lagna, so it is third kind of Ashtama dosha, and for that the remedy is that Rudra Ashtakshari. We need to do the Rudra Ashtakshari mantra for that, and the mantra is Om Mahadevaya Namah. Om Mahadevaya Namah. Okay, so this Ashtakshari mantra, if we are counting the syllable of the mantra, it comes to the 8. So it creates the, it will address the issue related to the 8th house, and the Ashtama dosha is again, it is the concept which is focusing the 8th house, which is focusing the fear. Okay, so for every Ashtama dosha, there is a particular remedy which has been suggested. Okay, so for Lagna Ashtama, if we are seeing the Lagna is 8th house from the natives Lagna or Natal Lagna, so for that we need to do the Surya Ashtakshari mantra, and the mantra is Om Girni Surya Aditya. on monthly transit, when moon comes to the 8th house from natal moon, and for that the mantra is Narayana Ashtakshari, Om Namo Narayanaya. And if we are seeing in a prasna chart, if we are seeing the moon is in the 8th house, so it creates Chandrashtama, and the mantra for that is Rudra Ashtakshari, Om Mahadevaya Namah. Okay, so basically to address the Ashtama dosha, we must use the Ashtakshari mantra. For Lagna, it will be Surya. For Moon Ashtama, it will be the Ashtakshari mantra of Narayana. And on daily transit from Chandra Ashtama, it will be the mantra of Rudra. So friends, you need to use those mantras to address the Ashtama dosha. So this is all about what we can say Ashtama dosha, how we can use this Ashtama dosha in our chart analysis, and finally what is the remedy for this Ashtama dosha. Friends, hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.